Hey again, thanks for tuning in to the second episode of this improvisational miniature painting tutorial. Today we're starting with the tentacles on the back of this miniature. For this we're using Bugman's Glow mixed with Emperor's Children, both Citadel. I want the tentacles to be more meaty and less exotic looking. That's why I'm going for a more flesh-like tone. Now I will directly jump into glazing by using a 50-50 mix of Vallejo glaze and Citadel Emperor's Children. Usually I will use glazing for getting a smooth transition between two colors. This is not exactly what we're doing here. What we're aiming for here is more explorative. With this step finished, we let it dry a little bit and then we're gonna proceed with mixing our next glaze. We take our glaze medium and mix it with Emperor's Children and Xeria's Purple. And in this step we are painting more in the crevices and on the sides of these tentacles. So basically we are painting around those areas we painted with the flesh tones before. So it's getting more and more exciting and fun. I'm using a technical color called Blood for the Blood God because I want to let the brain really stand out. And I don't know if you have seen a brain before, hopefully not in real life, except if you're a medical examiner or doctor or something, of course. But we all know, at least from pictures, that it looks kind of glossy and anything but dry. And that is what this paint really is perfect for. And so we go on with Juquero Orange for the pustules, also a very fun step. Giving them all some neat base coat of this bright orange. There's always more than you would expect on these poxwalkers. I mean, maybe you expect a lot of pox and pustules on a poxwalker, but I'm just trying to say that it's easy to overlook some of these details. Next I'm gonna use some Waywatcher Green. Green is a color I haven't used at all yet on this miniature. But another more or less well-known fact is that guts have this green undertone, and Waywatcher Green is perfect for that. So this is it for part 2. We will let the glazes dry. I want to say thank you to everyone who has watched so far. Please consider subscribing to get notified when part 3 is available, and have a nice day.